This Etsy shop has made at least using the average price of the products 50,000 euros on selling coloring books. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step using free AI tools. Let's go into it. First, we're gonna enter Google AI Studio and then we're going to try Nano Banana. So create for me 10 Christmas coloring pages. That's the results. What we do is download the images like that. And then we have to make a cover of them. So now we use this prompt like create for me a cover for 20 pages Christmas coloring book, be on a sign. Then we go on Canva. We press create. A for document portrait. So the customer is able to print the book because it's going to be in a digital form. So now what we do is drag the photos in here and mess around, just like that. Don't worry about the corners, we're gonna fix it. Very nice. We just move it a bit inside, like this. You see how nice it is? And we move on with pages. Like that. Beautiful, isn't it? When our book is done, then we press download and we use PDF print. So it's able to print. So now it's time for Etsy. Register, like that. This is the very first page. So now we move to Sell on Etsy. Get started. Let's do this. Some questions. Digital categories. And this is the shop preferences. So here we choose the language, the country, and the currency. Then we have to name our shop. Color by Yorgo Studio. So here we have to choose the location of our bank. Then we have to enter our country, select day, the bank name, our IBAN, and the Swift PIC. You can find easily this Swift PIC. Save and continue. Okay, so here we have to verify our identity with some few steps. To activate our account, we have to pay like 15 euro almost. And this is only for the beginning, for the very first time. After that, we are ready. So now we're going to enter one already existing account that I have. Shop Manager. We can go to listings. And here we have our books. Add a listing. We choose our category. Digital file, edit, a finished product. With an AI generator, how is this digital content created? With an AI generator. Continue. So now we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us with the edits. I be on listing in Etsy and I wanna add a coloring Christmas book of 20 pages. Give me title, description and tags. Here we have our title. We check if we like it and if it's properly written. Nice. That's the description. We check if we like it. If it makes sense, we make some edits if we want. Here we're going to add our book, like this. We have to add some photos from the book so the customer can see some photos. For example, this. And then we go to tags. We paste some tags. Then we have to enter our price. So how much this book is going to cost? Let's say €1.90. So estimated earnings €1.23. Remember, these coloring books have to be cheap. Publish. That's how we do it. Now this is one way to make money online. But here is what separates people who actually succeed from people who just watch videos. The people who succeed, they act. I made for you a guide with multiple ways to make money online. And I give to you a practical guide with powerful websites and tools. Both completely free. You will get the link in the description. Now, if you like the video and you want more tutorials like this, press like and subscribe. I'm done and I hope to see you again in the next video. Be well.